up, y'all? It's your girl Janelle again, and I am back with another video. And today I am doing a clothing haul for a new company that I now work with named Wholesale 7. If you haven't heard of them, they are a clothing line. They sell different type of clothing, different styles, different sizes, in a very good material, okay? Had to throw that out there. I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into the video. If you haven't already, please do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel. What are you waiting on? Click the bell notification also so you'll always see when it is I am uploading. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. So this very first outfit is a one-piece jumpsuit. It has one sleeve off and the other sleeve on. This is a very cute outfit, very good material. What I like about it is that I can dress this down or up. I can pretty much do a lot with this simply because it's a solid color. On top of the fact it's a jumpsuit, you can do a lot with jumpsuits. Like you could dress it up or down, make it casual or dressy, really doesn't matter. Really good pieces to have. And also this is a size medium. This piece is definitely summer vibes, so before the summer ends I recommend you hurry up and get this piece. Or you could go ahead and put on some thigh-high boots and make it a winter look and put on like a little cardigan or something like that. That's all I did with the summer dress, okay? You go ahead, toss you a little sweater on or something. Really doesn't matter. You can do what you want with it, okay? So on to the next outfit. This next outfit is a two-piece set. Definitely giving me dinner vibes. I tied up the skirt a little tight. I definitely, now that I'm looking at it, I will pull the string a little more loose. The top, I would definitely have to get the top pulled in some because it was a little loose fitted. But outside of that, it's a really cute outfit, really cute pops of color. I feel like this is definitely a summer dinner outfit. I would definitely wear this somewhere out for dinner or like something with friends. This outfit is also a size medium. Now this piece is a swimming suit, definitely perfect for traveling. Like this swimming suit was so bomb. I love the color and everything, and the strings are long enough for you can tie it however you want to. The only disclaimer is the skirt was too tight. The swimming suit fits fine. The cover up was just too tight. Like I just forced it on just so you all can see how it looks, but it was way too tight. Definitely should have went a size up, but then again, I feel like I shouldn't have went a size up because the swimming suit would have been too big. Everything fits outside of the skirt. So this outfit was my absolute favorite. I actually did a TikTok, a couple TikToks with this outfit on. You can tie the top up in any way you want. It's just the scarf-like tops that everyone's been wearing. You can tie it however you want to. This is just how I decided to style it. And I believe I styled it another way on TikTok. I really love the little peekaboo of the hips on the side. Really sexy, but it's not showing too much, so really cute. As you can see how I have it tied in the back. For those of you who don't know, blue is my favorite color, so this outfit was just it for me, okay? Also, I did get this in a size medium as well. And the last piece that I got was these colorful leggings that's been really popular right now. It's the high-waisted leggings with the feet inserted, like there's no opening for the feet, so it's kind of like you just have on stockings. Really cute. It's really nice to wear with some heels or something like that. I feel like that's bomb, like some open toe heels, like maybe some strappy heels or something like that. Really bomb for that. The only thing is that I ended up cutting the feet off simply because I ended up using it as a cover up, and I cut the feet off because who wants sand and the feet things? It was a weird combo, so that's why I ended up cutting the feet off. Also, it was a little more snug with the feet on there. So I've noticed I was able to rise the leggings a little higher without the feet. So yeah, and these were a size medium as well, so maybe I should have got that in a size large. So yeah, I would definitely go a size up in those if you're hipsy like me. Okay, and that was the very last piece. Please let me know in the comments which piece did you like the most. Also, I'll be inserting the clip of my TikTok that I did with these items on. It was super cute. Go ahead and check them out. Once again, the name of the website is wholesale7.net. Feel free to check out their website and check out some items that you may like or whatever. Place your order, and that's that. That's all that I have for this video. If you haven't already, please do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell notification if you haven't already. Feel free to follow me outside of YouTube on my TikTok, my Instagram, and stuff like that, so that you can see me with these outfits on. I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye, loves.
Fell in love with Christina. Fuck with both of those bitches, but they don't bust it like Nina. It's about to hit up.